Hello everybody, thanks for coming to my channel today. My name is Grace. I'm also known as Littlemama, and I'm from the blog workanywherenow.com. In this video today, I'm going to show you how to earn $10 to $17 per hour chatting with strangers, and these are going to be real work at home jobs. I cannot wait to show you, so let's get to it right away, okay guys? Alright, this is Apple. If you don't know Apple, Apple makes a lot of electronics. They make computers, they make iPads, they make iPhones, the watch, Apple Watch, they have Apple TV, and all sorts of electronics. So if you don't know Apple, just go to apple.com and check out all the products. But what they have is that they have an opportunity to work from home as a work at home advisor, and they actually have 3 different ways that you can earn from home. And so being part of Apple, then you get benefits as well. So like I said, these are going to be real work at home jobs. So you're going to get paid time away, you're going to get product discounts, and then you could actually stay with Apple and grow with them if you wish. So they have great benefits, and all you're doing is you're going to be a customer service person from home. They actually have that as their first available position. Is the customer's first point of contact. So you're going to be trained on how to answer the questions that their customers are asking when they call customer service, and then you're going to know how to troubleshoot with them and how to give them support. And so if you get better at it, then you could be a at-home team manager, and as you keep going up the ladder, you could be even an area manager. And so when I looked at how much they pay on Glassdoor, they are averaging base pay $17 an hour. And if I take a look at the ratings from past employees, is rating 4.0 to work theirs, and that's after 14,000 reviews. So that's a very good rating for an employer. So working for Apple is a great choice, guys. Here's another customer service type company that you can join. It's called Sykes. All the links for these work at home jobs will be in the video description below, and so you could click on it directly. So this one is basically if a company or a brand wants help using people working from home to answer customer service, this is another company that does that. So this is for various companies, not just Apple. So you can definitely check out who or what kind of brands you can or companies you can work for this for site. And where you want to go is here, work at home. Here at work at home, here's a past agent. Here, my work at home position allows me the opportunity to provide A+ customer service from the comfort of my home. It eliminates the long commute to a close by customer service call center. I would recommend Sykes Home to everyone. And then when you work with Sykes, you're going to get benefits as well. So let's look at their benefits. See, they have health benefits, financial benefits, lifestyle benefits, and education benefits. So you're going to get health plans, you're going to like a real employee job. So it doesn't matter if you're working from home, that's the opportunity that these guys are offering you. And when I checked out how much they pay, they don't pay that much at all. They're at the lower 10 bucks an hour. And if you look at the reviews are 2.8. So this is not going to be as good as Apple, but it's definitely a opportunity that you can try if the other ones don't work out. Here's the next one, VIP Desk Connect. They are also like a customer service for any companies or brands that want to use their service or need help answer customer service questions. So brands can look for their service to do customer service, or if they need people helping them with their social media or back office and even doing consulting. So they come to VIP Desk for VIP Desk Connect for help with that. And as someone like me and you would want to go to career. You want to go to careers here and check this out. See here, they're not your typical everyday workplace because it's gonna be you're gonna be able to work at home using your own home office. And I'm just going to show you the kind of benefits that they offer here. They offer work-life balance, and so you can work from home, and they have a work environment and culture that strives on openness, trust, empowerment, and positivity. So some of the benefits for you working from home is saving on expenses like driving, gas, maintaining your car, parking, or whatever tolls they may have, or even using work clothes, And then they have rewards for if you do a good job. They have incentives for you. They have paid vacation. They have health benefits and life insurance even. So this is a very good package. And so you could check out what are available, what positions they have available here. And let's check out VIP desk at Indeed. I'm just looking up their salary range. So for customer service, it looks like about 17 bucks per hour, 17.78. But customer service here is about $15 per hour. So this one is kind of decent, and the ratings is okay. 3.6 is probably better than Sykes. So of course I would choose Apple first because they are the first most recognized brand, and they have really good brand benefits, and I would trust them way better. And then so the second choice I would use is this VIP Desk Connect. And then if both don't work, then I would try Sykes out. All right, guys. But guys, this is definitely not the way I make my money online. I make passive income. And what that means is that I can make my own schedule, because I'm sure you got to abide by whatever hours these companies tell you when you need to work, because you're still working for them. So you're going to have to go by their schedule. So instead, I work from home for myself with my own schedule, and I make money 24/7 whenever that comes in. So that's how I make passive income. And the way I have learned how to do that is with this website right here. This website is called Wealthy Affiliate. And what it is that they teach you how to make money with affiliate marketing. Yeah, what you do is you make money just recommending other people's products, and you earn a commission when somebody buys from you. So you just make a recommendations on things, on products and services that you already love, or whatever topic that you want to build your online business with. So Wealthy Affiliate has lessons step by step to show you how to build this online business so that you can be even a beginner like you and learn the steps on how to create this online business for yourself to create passive income. Now, I've been on here since 2016, guys. Okay, this is definitely not for somebody, is not for somebody who needs money right away. Then try one of those other online careers. But if you have a little time, you could work from home doing this and start building your online business. It does take a little time to see results, but once you see results, you could be earning thousands of dollars online every month using this method. Affiliate marketing is very powerful. I've been using this since, like I said, 2016, and these guys, they taught me so well that I had to become a super affiliate in 2018, last year. So they are very good at what they do, and I'm going to be your coach if you sign up with me, okay? So if you use a special link, you will see my little face here, okay? And why you want to see my face here is that then you can sign up under me so that you can get me as your coach on the platform, okay? I'm going to help you along with your online journey. If this is the path that you want to take, I'm going to help you, and it's free to start. You can sign up for free to check it out, and then if you are serious about it, then you could upgrade to premium, because you will need the premium to learn everything that you need to build this online business. It is really rewarding if this is something that you can do for yourself and dedicate this and build it for yourself, because it has been life-changing for me and my family. It's something that I really love to do, and it's something that I've been doing since 2.5 years now. So it's has been so fun, and I've been showing more people on how to build their own business instead, because it provides so much more freedom, guys. If you're looking for freedom, if you want to earn money on vacation, if you want to earn money while you sleep, this is the path to go, guys. All right? So if you want to sign up with me, though, you need to have a special link, okay? And it's workanywherenow.com/Team Little Mama. All right? Once you go there, it should take you to this place, and then you can sign up for free, and then I will be sending you a message on your profile once I know that you are online, okay? So I hope I can help you with this in the near future. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have, please give me a thumbs up and like this video. And if you want to learn more ways on how to make money online and more about affiliate marketing, please check out my channel and subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you can see when my next video comes out, guys. Thank you so much. I appreciate you watching this today, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.